Of
Yes.
course, sir. Yes.
So why is he not answering? Am I speaking in Urdu or any other language? No, but I only know Hindi, English, Gujarati, Hindi, Myanmar, and yeah, I only know these three, four languages. So why is he not answering?
Sir, I think he
Lakhani,
has any problem.
Lakhani. Okay. You might be having net connection. Yes, problem. Who is this Rajia Landa? I think Noman.
Correct.
See how
Yes.
smart. How are you, Noman?
Fine.
Why your voice is so low? You are sleeping?
No.
Then you have sneezing, cough.
Yes, sir.
Arre baap. Take care, and give the answer only when I ask your name. And how about Zamin?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Oh, fine, sir.
So
What
what did
about
you
you,
had?
sir?
I am also good. So
Yes,
what
sir.
did you had? What did you eat in your breakfast?
I eat in breakfast. Drink water, sir. Only.
Why only water?
Sir, I don't like breakfast.
Don't tell me. You don't eat breakfast.
Any day I
Wrong.
don't eat
You're
breakfast.
telling me lie.
Sir, it is impossible.
Yes, sir, not.
It is
I don't
impossible.
say lie. I say true.
No. Like earlier you said, it is impossible.
L-
You don't eat breakfast. I don't believe. I will ask your father
Why, sir? Why, sir?
because telling lie. No, Papa. Have you heard that poem? Rhyme in the nursery.
Yes, sir, but I don't eat breakfast.
You do. Okay. Then what do you eat? Our head? Yes, that you eat.
No, sir. I eat
Yes.
on 2 o'clock. I
No,
eat
not my
on
head.
2 o'clock.
Repeat,
Sir,
repeat. What you eat?
Ah, what
Yeah.
cook my mother that we eat?
Okay. That you eat. Yeah, but I also cook sometimes. I'm a good cook. I'm a good chef, like Ali Asgar.
But
yes,
sir,
sir.
I am also cooking pasta, noodles, and Maggie. That. I eat that
So,
was
so when,
Sir,
twelve
I
o'clock.
know how to make a cup of tea.
okay, but
I also.
Zamin, when will you give me your
Yes,
handmade
sir.
Maggie?
एक रेस्टो आपके बटेटे
Sir, your voice is
Huh?
breaking.
Zamin, I'm telling you, when you
Your
will give
voice
me
is
your
breaking.
Maggie, when you will give me Maggie, you said no, you know how to cook
Sir,
pasta, Maggie.
I eat samosa and that things that my father gave 10 rupees. That I eat samosas. That things.
No, but you have to give me pasta.
Today
You
we
know how to
don't
cook
cook
pasta.
food.
You say
Okay? Sir,
no.
today my mother not cook food because mother and my sister Tathir is all rosa. I am not
Okay,
rosa.
I understood. Okay, beta. Thank you. Mute
I
your mic.
eat. I eat out of it.
Okay, thank you. Mute your mic. What about Ali Asgar? What Ali Asgar? You were speaking something, beta.
Sir, nothing, sir.
No, you were speaking something.
Not to the class,
You're
to
not.
mother.
Don't. You're not speaking because you know that sir will ask you to cook for me. Okay, I will not tell you to cook anything. Jokes apart, Burani Mary Hassan, can you tell me lastly what have we done in our previous lecture?
Yes, sir. Simple past and simple future. formula we
Okay.
have done
Today, yes, we have done.
with
So, okay,
example.
done with example. Example, you all gave me the example, right?
Yes.
Okay, people. So today we're going to just revise. I think we need to revise here. Lesson number 10. Complete the following sentences. So give the heading revision English lesson 10 CF. Now why am I doing this? Because in some or the other way in the objectives it may be asked. Okay, and please write in the rough book. See, here one system is there. Question you will write only one time, but answer you will write two times. And then we will repeat the question and the answers for complete the following sentences. This is what we are going to do. This is how we are going to revise, complete the following sentences. Each and every student will have to write this and has to respond me saying, yes sir, my work is done. Whenever the work is done, I have to send me the photos. This is what the format is and you very well know this format. So let's get started. Please give the heading properly. If you get ready with the heading, today's date, then division, English, then lesson 10, all this heading when you give, say, yes, sir, I am ready, and your name.
Hello, sir.
Yes, who is this? Yes, who is this? When you
Sir,
say
I'm
hello, sir, you
Nathan.
have to speak, no? Yeah?
सर आपकी आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रही भाई सर.
Who is this? Who are you?
राजाड़ी अब्बास अली सर.
Okay, my voice is. It sometimes happens because of network issue, beta.
ओके सर, सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब.
No issues.
Hello.
Yes, beta.
Sir, yeah, sir, the first answer, the first word of first question I can't see. Athonly.
Ali Asgar, you are speaking, right?
Yes, sir. Athon, sir, Athon लिखा है वो तो उधर.
See, Ali Asgar, your mobile is like this horizontal or like this vertical?
Yes.
You turn it like this.
Okay. Done, sir. हाँ, दिखा.
And then
Swaminathan.
don't. I thought who is Athan? Only two I will write at a time because answer you have to write two times, question only one time. And then I will write another two and then one because five are there. As soon as you finish writing question one time, answer two times for this, say yes sir, your name.
Sir, your screen is blurred.
Who is this fellow?
Sir, I'm not forgetting.
Sir, he is speaking truth.
Yes.
Sorry, Ali sir, am I asking you he is speaking truth or not?
Sir,
Budal,
screen
am I
is very
asking you he is
clear.
speaking truth or not? No, 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 no. Am I asking you anyone's screen is clear or blur? Have you forgotten the rule of my class, dear? If you like to irritate me, I also know the different ways how can I irritate you. It is just that you know that when we are working with the internet, few things are excellent. That sitting at home, you are able to see the sir, you are able to see the screen. See, if you will start irritating me, I will stop this kind of lectures. And like other classes, I will simply share my screen, write, finish. Will you enjoy that? So when I'm working very hard for you people, can't you cooperate? So many benefits are there. Sitting at home, you're able to see everything. When I'm speaking, you should shut your mouth for a minute, no, beta? So many advantages are there. You're able to see everything live. Just sitting easily wherever you want to sit at your home. So you are not looking at the advantages. You are just looking at disadvantages. This is wrong. That is wrong. When the half glass of water is filled, you are looking just that half glass is empty. Look at half glass is filled, you know, look at positivity. When the screen is clear, you people never come to say that sort of, oh, today's screen is very clear, we are enjoying. Did you say that anytime?
Sir,
Who is this?
sir is your
Yes, what happened?
screen is full clear from first.
Today I have connected a good Wi-Fi network, but sometimes it becomes blur. I know that fellow was speaking. Who was speaking? I think Asarya Fazil. He might be having the problem. I'm not telling that he is wrong, but at least you should know that you should speak. Excuse me, sir, I have this problem. Sir, screen is blur. This way, I'm not going to entertain you. Sorry. Okay, people. As soon as you finish writing question one time, answer two times. Say yes, sir, and your name so I can read it.
Yes, Amit. Yes, I'm up done.
Yes, sir, the result was what is the certificate work is done. Sir, भोजन निकालिए बस work is done.
Rajat, let's go work it.
Mama, the work is done. Sir, work is done. Sakhi, about भोजन work is done.
Okay. So, students, sit in a silent place. Sit at one silent place, but the place is very silent. And turn on the mic and repeat this with me. See that there should be no disturbance. Okay, turn on the mic, everyone. Swaminathan
Swaminathan
and Mani
Swaminathan and money
and money
went to
went
went
to
to
Rajan's house because
Rajan's house
Rajan's house
because
because
answer.
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 Rajan had said
Rajam has
Had
said
said
he would give them
he
we
would
would
give them
give them
a surprise.
a
a
surprise.
surprise.
And surprise.
Number two,
Number
Number
two,
Number
two,
two,
Mani considered
Mani
money
considered
considered
answer
answer
Somu, P and Shankar.
Sonu
Somu
and Shankar.
Shankar.
Wait. This is not Sonu. This is Somu. Somu. Somu, P and
Somu,
Shankar
Somu P and
Sonu
Shankar
and Shankar
to be his enemies.
to be and his enemies.
Very good.
Very good.
Who is this?
Who is this?
Ali Asgar? Stop, otherwise I will remove you. I think Ali Asgar was there, no?
Yes, you are correct.
See? I am very smart. I know you people just by your voice. Now I'm going to clear. Can I clear?
Yes.
Yes, you can clear.
I hope that you people wrote it 2 times.
Sir, your screen is too good. Sir, which network you have? Wi-Fi or internet?
Who is this?
Zaki Wakki.
Zaki, I have my network. Means when I stand, board is as white as your sir. Don't you think so? Zaki might be laughing. What if sir is speaking?
No, sir.
Yes, I know. You people laugh at me.
Sir, your bus work is done with using 5G.
Oh.
Mohammed
So
Zaki
I
work is done
also
with using 4G.
no. You are also fighting. Just frictions of second it happened.
Sir, Zoraba's work is done with using 5G.
I got frightened. I thought, why are you shouting?
Mohammed Zaki work is done.
Okay. Zaki went to the visit yesterday with friends.
Yes sir, your photo. You got photo
I
sir. मोहम्मद अली भी है उसमें.
see. I don't know because I have not seen Mohammed Ali live. No, in the class. Yes, I have seen, but in fourth standard. So I forgot his face.
Sir,
But I will
red
ask.
t-shirt, red t-shirt.
Mm, you were wearing hoodie. You were wearing hoodie, right?
Yes sir. सर बहुत मजा आया सर. हमको सब दिख रहा.
Where did you go? Victoria Park.
Yes.
So did you see one lion like a sun?
No. We saw a deer, a species of deer called
Oh.
Vijay. वो होती है.
What
और
is
फिर
it called?
वो सर वो होती है. I don't know. I forgot the name. Then we also saw species of a cow.
Nilgai.
Nilgai, yes. Nilgai and Rojru. Then we
But
saw
I-
star turtle. Star
I
turtle.
saw. You know what did I see?
What?
I saw one species of rabbit.
Oh, what?
Zaki.
I don't know. Sir, we saw star turtle. It is
Oh,
not
nice.
allowed to. Yes, it is not allowed to take as a pet. It is what is it? It is what banned. It is star turtle in his cage. वो क्या बोलते हैं उसका कवच? Star pattern is there. Star pattern. So nice.
You took the photos?
No, sir, I don't have phone. But I have phone, but there is not allowed.
No. What I'm saying is,
Yes.
Tajib sir was there. So you people
Yes.
asked me to take the photos.
No, sir, we
Okay.
forgot.
I just saw your photos.
Yes. Sir, then
This is not good. I want.
there are too many birds. Too many birds.
Okay.
Then
Peacock was there.
yes, peacock and peahen. Then
Okay.
we saw jungly cat.
Ah, wild cat.
Yes. Then
Um,
parrot with corgi. वो क्या बोलते हैं वो? Parrot. Species
okay.
of parrot. Then bulbul, then terror bird, then so many. Then one
Terror-
tree, terror bird. Then
Terror bird was there?
yes, there was a tree that lives 800 years to 1000 years. His age is too much.
In Victoria Park.
Yes, last at nursery. Then we
So,
saw two.
it might be of time of Krishna Kumar Singh ji, Takta Singh ji.
Yes.
You know, of Bhavnagar.
So there was two large tree. Its name is Rukhro. Two Raj. Then so many.
I have never been Victoria,
Animals.
only have been. Yeah,
So many animals there was.
I have never been. Okay, I will also go to visit.
Yes. So its time is 6:30 to 8 and 4 to 6.
Zaki, if you have done the work,
Yes.
4 to 6, I will go. No, then I'm busy all the time.
So
Zaki, if you have
there
done
was-
this third and fourth, can you read?
Yes, okay. Number 3. Rajan added to interest of the game by mewing like a cat. by mewing like a cat. The pea sat in a corner, mewing and barking in answer every few seconds. Mewing and barking in answer every few seconds. Sir, there was in Victoria Park with us, there were 3 experts of Sasangir. Experts.
Three?
Expert of wildlife. Expert of wildlife.
Oh.
3 of Sasangir of.
I have even not seen Sasangi.
Oh, sir,
I want to
sir,
see.
okay, sir, in Uttarayan, there are so many birds that they was injured. They was kept in one cage, and they only eats fish. We also go to saw them, see them.
Oh, okay. One of my friends,
Yes.
one of my friends is working in the Victoria Park, but he is working
Yes.
as a snake rescue. So he
Snake
brings snake
rescue.
all the time in his bag.
Oh wow.
All the time in his
Sir.
bags, he keeps the snake.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Sir,
then
they
he leaves in the
tell.
Victoria Park.
Yes, sir, they tell that so many birds and animals are released in Victoria Park. So don't worry. They can't do anything because we are too much.
Yes, 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 I know.
Sir.
I understood.
Sir, yes.
Um,
There
yes,
are one species of owlet. Owlet. Too fine, sir. Too
oh,
fine. Nice, small owlet. Too fine, sir. Too fine. But that's
okay.
but there are too much walking in Victoria. There was too much walking. I got tired, sir.
Yes,
And fun also
I have
there is
seen just the starting.
yes. There is fun also that but tired. Okay.
But you are a sportsman, so you will not get much tired.
Yes, sir. Sir, there was also
Someone has raised the
ma'am.
hand.
Sir, there was also son of one man, Kapasi, Hassan Kapasi, in 5th standard.
Yes, yes, yes. See, I was going to tell you that
Sir,
friendship thing is a
sir,
new.
he is too
He was
intelligent, sir. He is too intelligent.
very intelligent, and his English is also like you.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. So you people did not invite Rohan sir there. Very bad. You also the animals and all the species alone.
You want to come now? You have to come. We can't allow you. You have to register your name.
I will better see it myself because I have one friend there, so I don't have to register anything. Anyways, it was very, very refreshing to hear these words from you that you people enjoyed. Who raised the hand? Asariyaha Mohammed Fazil. What happened, beta?
Sorry, sir.
You raised your hand to tell me sorry.
सर भूल से हो गया था.
Oh, by mistake you raised your hand. Okay, how many of you are still writing? Shall I wait for you or shall I write the last number fifth? What do I do?
Sir, work done.
Can I clear number third at least? No one answered, so I cleared.
Sir, done. Number 4 also.
Smart. How many of you have written four? Whose mic is on? Okay, so we shall remove those who are doing this kind of, those who are kind of, creating inconvenience.
Mediation work done.
Sorry, I'm sorry, okay, done.
You all people, those who said done, they have even done number five.
Sir, Zoeba's work is done.
Yes, done.
Zohair Abbas, what is the time, beta?
Time is 10:08.
10 or 8? Decide one thing.
10 o'clock and 8 minutes.
Yes. Zohair Abbas, can you read number five?
Yes.
Yes.
Mohammed Zakir, yes sir, work done in 5G. Confronted Mani and Swaminathan by twinkling his eyes with mischief.
Zohair Abbas, what was that Swaminathan? Swaminathan. You read it, it's Swaminathan. Yes or no, boy?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, from where the line is there of complete the following?
I did not understand what you're speaking.
No, I get.
No, if you have doubt, you can ask.
I am seeing there where is the line of complete the following is there. I get it.
Number five, we are talking about.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Starting from the twinkling, ending till the mischief. So, which paper do you all have today? Which exam?
Social science.
Oh, nice.
Social science.
So, how is your preparation, children, for social science? Okay, I think it is not good. That is why you people are not answering. I suppose you all have written. How many of you are still writing?
Yes, sorry, how much was the work is done?
Very good. And tomorrow is your which exam?
English.
English.
Wrong.
Grammar.
English and grammar. Yeah, Burani is right. So let's see how many of you are able to score like you said in the beginning of the lecture.
Sir,
Okay. Yes,
I sent you the homework. You get it?
I sent them. I have, turned off the notification because when I'm in the lecture, I don't get WhatsApp notifications. I hope you people have completed this work. So goodbye, students. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir.
Stay safe. Stay safe.
खुदा हाफिज, बाय, टाटा, बाय बाय, जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय, खुदा।